Hello my dear friends, I hope that you are all concentrated, motivated, have good, brilliant mood, because today I will show you how you can easily work with high Kanashi candlesticks. So watch this video till the end. This is very good video to get successful work with the IQ option platform. So my amount is always $100. Right now on the screen you see the another chart type. We are gonna change it. High Kanashi candlesticks. I usually save the basic settings, and I just open call option and I will explain you why. When you see that red candlesticks are falling down, you have to open call option as close to the expiration line, because soon the market will grow up. So you have to analyze it and to understand it. So remember, when you see that red candlesticks starts falling down from the top to the lower part of the screen, so it means that the market will grow up, and that's why I've opened call option. Or vice versa, for example, when you see like this, when from the lower part of the screen candles are growing up, it means that soon the market will fall down and you have to open put option, but you have this distance and this is time, so try to open your stakes as close to the expiration time. It will give you more chances to get win. Apparently I have lost right now. It happens, so you don't have to be angry, you don't have to give up, because market is very unpredictable thing and you go step by step to your successful work. So right now, in case of loss, we need to change $100 to $250 because we need cover that we lost. And okay, purchase time lasts 1 minute. I have enough time to think. Don't forget to look at the history of the trend, to look at the market analysis, to know general news about the market, and after all this you can make your own prediction. So you see the market fall down, but we actually didn't have enough time. So I have lost, and in case of loss we need to open next deal bigger than the previous one in 2 times, so I've changed $250 to $500. And the same, I've opened put option because I think that the market so you see the market fell down, but unfortunately we didn't have enough time. For today, that is all for now. Sometimes you have, unfortunately, unsuccessful days, but I guess that I will show you this video because you have to know that sometimes you have successful work, sometimes you don't have successful work. But life is life, you know, the market is very unpredictable thing. Thank you for your attention. I'm waiting for your comments, for your likes, shares, for your personal opinion about this video. Love to down comments, and see you on the next video episode. Bye.